From ancient myths of the fountain of youth to modern science, humanity has always dreamed of living forever. But could immortality ever become a reality? Today, we're exploring the cutting-edge research that's turning this dream into a scientific quest. Welcome to the science of immortality. The idea of immortality has fascinated humans for centuries. In ancient times, stories like the Gilgamesh epic or the search for the elixir of life reflected humanity's longing to conquer death. Fast forward to today, where science is transforming this age-old fantasy into a real possibility. To understand immortality, we first need to understand aging. Aging occurs due to cellular damage over time, DNA mutations, and the shortening of telomeres, protective caps on our chromosomes. Scientists are now uncovering ways to slow, halt, or even reverse these processes. Here are some of the groundbreaking technologies tackling aging and mortality. Gene editing. CRISPR scientists are using gene editing tools to repair genetic mutations and extend cellular life. Senolytics, drugs designed to remove aging cells from the body, improving overall health and lifespan. Artificial organs, advances in bioengineering are allowing us to replace failing organs with lab-grown alternatives. Nanotechnology, tiny robots could one day repair damaged cells and tissues from the inside out. Cryonics, preserving bodies at extremely low temperatures in hopes of future revival. The science of immortality isn't just about technology, it raises profound ethical and social questions. Who gets access to these life-extending technologies? Could immortality worsen overpopulation or deepen social inequality? And would living forever change what it means to be human? Immortality might still be a long way off, but the progress being made today is unprecedented. Whether it's extending lifespan by decades or curing age-related diseases, the science of immortality is transforming the way we think about life and death. The question is no longer if but when.